welcome to all the eminent dignitaries here today. Thank you so much for being part and parcel of today's event. We will now be showing you some videos that the Embassy of Republic of Korea has provided. The first video is of the Korea-India Video Dosti contest. The embassy has been holding this contest since last year. This contest provides a platform for visual storytellers to highlight and promote their creativity and understanding of the deep and enduring friendship between Korea and India. This is a compilation of the amazing talent who put together their version of Korea-India Dosti. The next video is on Jeju Island, released by the Korean Tourism Organization, depicting the beauty of Jeju, the largest island in South Korea. The third video is on Seoul, Songbuk Dung. This video introduces a part of Seoul called Seongbuk Dong, which is a living testament to Seoul's historic past coexisting with the modern present. Lastly, another video which shows the Gyeongju, the capital of the ancient kingdom of Shala. It is the location for historical treasures and UNESCO designated World Heritage Sites. Please do have a look, and a humble request to each and every one of you to kindly get your eyes onto the LED screens in front of you and view the following videos. Thank you so much. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. His Excellency Ambassador of the Republic of Korea to Republic of India, Mr. Jang Jae-buk, Chairman Skantyal from India Republic of Korea Friendship Society, and eminent guest here today. I welcome you on this occasion to celebrate the friendship between India and Republic of Korea that dates back to 1st century AD with Princess Suriratna from Ayodhya marrying King Suro from the Korean Gaya Kingdom. Since then, bilateral ties have flourished. Tonight is the cultural celebration and culmination of the amicable relationships between the two countries. Without further ado, we begin with performances by the Iker team. The first part entails a depiction of Shiva and his consort Parvati in androgynous form. Arthashri Yara. So I hope you all are ready to envision an amazing night of entertainment, love, compassion, and togetherness here today. Once again, I would like to welcome all the eminent personalities here. Can we have a huge round of applause for all the people here in this room who are part and parcel of today's event. Without further ado, let's welcome our artists on stage to present towards a very scintillating performance here tonight. Thank you. That was really remarkable performance indeed, truly mesmerizing, touching our hearts here today. The team will follow up with a Buddhist dance drama called Nirvana. As Buddhism originated in India 2500 years ago, it has spread through much of Asia, including Korea, India, and Korea has had the Buddhist interactions for a long time. This drama represents the final goal of Buddhism, nirvana as a state where there is no suffering, desire, or sense of self, and being released from karma and the cycle of death and rebirth. Let us begin.
हजारों साल पूर्व कपिल वास्तु राज्य में गौतम जन्म लाभ किए थे। दूसरा नाम था सिद्धार्थ। राजप्रासाद की प्राचुर्य और वैभव में पले राजकुमार दुख और सुख से परिचित नहीं थे। एक दिन अपना अनुचर छंदक के साथ राज्य भ्रमण में निकले। रास्ते में देखे लड़खड़ाते पांव में एक वृद्ध लाठी पकड़े अति कष्ट से चल रहा है। थोड़े आगे मिला पीड़ा में तड़पते हुए एक कोढ़ग्रस्त रोगी। फिर नजर में आया मरघट पे जलता हुआ चीता। आखिर में एक सन्यासी की दर्शन हुआ। छंदक एक एक कर सब समझाए। जीवन की गति और अंत से व्यथित गौतम तुरंत राजप्रसाद लौटे थे, सदा के लिए राजपाट, पत्नी, पुत्र सबको त्यागने के लिए, और चल पड़े सत्य के खोज में। तपस्या से सिद्धि बुद्धि प्राप्त हुआ। शांति, मैत्री और प्रेम का मंत्र गूंजता गया हर दिशाओं में। इसी विषय वस्तु पर आधारित नृत्य नाटिका निर्वाण। पावन आज धरती आनंद मगन, गौतम जन्म वाणी स्पंदित गगन।
ସୁର ତୋଳେ ହୃଦୟରେ କାମନାର ଝଞ୍ଜା ଦେଇ ମଧୁ ଆଲିଙ୍ଗନ ମୁଖେ ଲଳିତ ଚୁମ୍ବନ ଭରିଦିଅ କାମନାର ବାଞ୍ଛା। ରୂପମତୀ କଳାବତୀ କାମନାର ଚାରୁକୃତି ଦେହରେ ମୋ ପ୍ରଣୟର ବନ୍ୟା ସୁରରୂପ ନାୟକ ମାରକାମ ସହାୟକ ମୁଜେ ପ୍ରୀତି ମଧୁଝରା କନ୍ୟା।
Gautama admonished the girl, asked her to stop her wiles, reminded her that he, after all, was a seeker of peace and truth, and not certainly the pleasures of the senses.
महानगर भ्रमण रे मोर मन बड़ मनोहर ए महानगर भ्रमण रे मोर मन हे वीर छंदक सजकर रथ हे वीर छंदक सजकर रथ जीवी मुराज उद्यान
Chandaka, tell me, what is this I see? A man or an animal? His sparse hair white, his teeth fallen, his body bent and shrunk, his gait slow and labored. What is wrong with him, O Chandaka?
हे परम कारुणिक गौतम, न जानखि एहा परा जीवन नियम। हे परम कारुणिक गौतम, न जानकी एहा परा जीवन नियम। क्षीणेन्द्रिय वीर्यहीन दुखित मानव, क्षीणेन्द्रिय वीर्यहीन दुखित मानव। আজি যে যুবক দৃঢ় দিনে বৃদ্ধ হেব, আজি যে যুবক দৃঢ় দিনে বৃদ্ধ হেব। হজাইব সবু সুখ প্রিয় পরিজন, न जानकी एहा परा संसार नियम। संसार नियम, संसार नियम।
This man has grown old, O Prince, just like you and I will one day. We shall become this one day. Your father, your mother, your wife will all one day become old. Such is the affliction of age, and no one, not even you, can escape the ravages of time. What is this sorry spectacle of a man? His body covered with ugly sores, twitching and heaving constantly, hardly able to breathe. Why, oh why is this suffering, Chandaka? He is diseased and dying, O Prince. No one can help him. His time to die approaches swiftly. Illness strikes suddenly and randomly. The rich and the poor, you and me, anyone can become the helpless victim of infirmity.
दर्शयति सर्वजनस्य यौवना, व्याधि दर्शयति सर्वजनस्य यौवना। तुभ्यंपि मातृपितृ बान्धव ज्ञाति संघो, सत्य है, हरि नाम सत्य है, राम नाम सत्य है, हरि नाम सत्य है।
What is the meaning of this? Why are people sad and mourning this motionless body of a man who's being burnt to ashes in front of my very eyes? What is the meaning of this, O Chandaka? This is the spectre of death, O Prince, the final cessation of life. The inevitable end of life is death, as night must follow the day. Such will be your fate too one day, and your near and dear ones will never see you again. Such is the meaning of life and death. In the midst of all this suffering, pain and sorrow, why is this man at peace? Why, O Chandaka? Wherefore the smile on his face, the calm and tranquil posture? This man has conquered all desire, Prince. Since in this life it is desire and greed that causes all suffering and sorrow. This is a wandering monk who has relinquished all earthly desire. Hence, he is full of the joy of unworldliness. His calm is profound and comes from within.
चला हूं ढूंढने जीवन की परिभाषा, संन्यास लेने की जागृत है अभिलाषा।
बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि संघं शरणं गच्छामि धम्मं शरणं गच्छामि बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि संघं शरणं गच्छामि धम्मं शरणं गच्छामि बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि संघं शरणं गच्छामि धम्मं शरणं गच्छामि बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि संघं शरणं गच्छामि संघं शरणं गच्छामि बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि संघं शरणं गच्छामि संघं शरणं गच्छामि धम्मं शरणं गच्छामि धम्मं शरणं गच्छामि बुद्धं शरणं
Wow, what an amazing, commendable performance was that. Can we have a huge round of applause for all the artists here on board today? Now I would like to call upon the chairman of India-Korea Friendship Society, former Ambassador Skandhyal, for his opening remarks. Ambassador Skandhyal joined the Indian Foreign Service in 1976 and served at Indian missions in Sofia, Warsaw, Geneva, and Moscow. He was India's Consul General in Johannesburg, Houston, and Ambassador of India to Uzbekistan and the Republic of Korea. Ambassador Tyal is the author of the book India and Republic of Korea, Engaged Democracies. Please welcome Sir with a huge round of applause, please. Thank you so much.
Good evening, friends. A very warm welcome to this India-Korea Friendship Evening, and a very special welcome to Ambassador His Excellency Mr. Chang Jae-bok and Madame Gu Jung-hyun for your gracious presence and support to India-Republic of Korea Friendship Society. Our society has been active for almost 2 decades, and I would like to gratefully acknowledge the stellar role played by our patron, Ambassador Shashank, and the founder and Director General, Mr. Avinash Gandhi, who have made this journey very productive and also meaningful. Friends, the evening was planned about 2 years back, but then COVID virus struck. And we are relieved that at least in India, in Delhi, we are able to psychologically overcome the fear of this dreaded virus. And I hope medically also we are reassured that this will not come back. Friends, contacts between the Korean Peninsula and the Indian subcontinent go back to ancient times, but are shrouded in a tantalizing mist of past history. From the days past, in the 48th year of the current era, a princess from Ayodhya traveled to Korea to marry King Kim Suro. And I am delighted to recognize the presence of Mr. Victor Lee among us, who is a descendant of the Queen, a direct descendant of the Queen. Thank you. Indians and Koreans are close friends. We rejoice in Korea's transformation to a developed economy. We all love K-pop, particularly in the eastern part of our country. Our ladies are getting hooked on Korean cosmetics. Of course, most present here would own either a Korean mobile or Korean appliances at home or a Korean car, and I own all the three. Millions of us watch exciting Korean TV dramas, and now the Academy Award-winning film Parasite and the serial Squid Game have brought Korean art and creativity in the consciousness of millions across the world. And the people of Korea respect India as the land of Gautam Buddha and Rabindranath Tagore. Koreans fondly remember the dedicated service of Indian Ambulance Corps in the tragic Korean War. And the youth of Korea are awed by the skills of Indian professionals in information and communications technology. Yesterday, a person of Indian origin took over as CEO of Twitter after Google and Microsoft and Adobe, etc. And of course, Koreans love their naan and butter chicken. We at the India Republic of Korea Friendship Society endeavor to make a modest contribution to cement this friendship. We are grateful for your presence. Among us are serving and former diplomats and civil servants, Indian and Korean CEOs, professionals and academics, and the next generation, students of Korean language, culture, and society. Among this eminent gathering, on behalf of our board, I would like to thank two of our guests. One, Shri Dinesh Patnaik, Director General of ICCR, who worked with us closely, he and his team, to put the cultural program together. And Shri Ashok Minda, CEO of Minda Spark Group, he assisted in a very special way. Minda Group is a leading manufacturer of automobile components with cutting-edge technology. And I am happy to say that I was ambassador in Korea and Uzbekistan, and the Minda Group has business in both these countries. Friends, in conclusion, I invite both Indian and Korean guests to become members of our society. Forms are available at reception desk. Also, we have launched a website just this week, www.irkfs.org. Please visit it, and forms are available there also. Friends, the mood of this evening will now change in a few minutes after Ambassador's speech from the spiritual to spirits. So do enjoy. And I once again heartily welcome you all to this India-Korea Friendship Evening. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your remarks and for all the work you have done to foster better relationships between India and Republic of Korea. Now I would like to call upon His Excellence Ambassador Jang Jae-bok to grace us with a few words of wisdom. He joined the Ministry of Foreign Affairs in 1988. Apart from various crucial positions he held during his long career as a diplomat, Ambassador Zhang was the Deputy Minister for Public Diplomacy since 2019 before taking on his new role as the Ambassador of South Korea to India. Please welcome His Excellency with a huge round of applause, please. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Good evening. Namaste to everyone. And 안녕하십니까? Ambassador Skan Tayar, President of India ROK Friendship Society, distinguished guests, excellencies, and dear friends, and ladies and gentlemen. I'm delighted to be here with all of you, friends and members of the society, at today's India-Korea Friendship Evening. Let me begin by thanking Ambassador Tayar and the India ROK Friendship Society for organizing this gathering in close cooperation with our embassy. The performance before my speech and Ambassador Tayar's speech, it was really mesmerizing. Yes, I began to love Indian culture. Thank you so much. I would also like to commend Ambassador Tayar and the Friendship Society and members of the society for their contributions to deepening mutual trust and friendship between our two peoples. I have always believed that a bilateral friendship relationship is not only about governments talking to each other, but also about people-to-people engagements. In this context, I attach a lot of importance to the role of our friendship society. I do hope it will continue to play its critical role as our two sides endeavor to take bilateral relations to a new trajectory of growth. Ladies and gentlemen and friends, what do you think is the best thing about our bilateral relations? I think it is the fact that our two peoples have known each other as peace-loving nations from millennia. Our legendary story of our friendship dates back to ancient times. It is the most beautiful aspect of the friendship between our two countries. We truly celebrate a shining legacy of the matrimonial alliance between Princess Sri Ratna from Ayodhya and the Korean King Kim Suro. As you may know, there are millions of Koreans who trace their ancestry to this union and regard India as their ancestral home. Another enduring link is the spiritual ties forged through the spread of Buddhism from India to Korea. Today, around 1/5 of Korea's population is Buddhist, who regard India as their spiritual home. The dance drama Nirvana, which we all just watched, celebrates our shared Buddhist legacy. And India's unforgettable role during the Korean War is akin to that of a true friend, extending timely help to a friend in need. Ladies and gentlemen, all these have contributed to creating a strong bond of amity and friendship between our two peoples and countries. It is the friendship that we all have gathered here to celebrate this evening. Today, Korea-India long-standing friendship has matured into a special strategic partnership. Our two countries enjoy close political engagement, growing trade and investment ties, and deep mutual understanding and friendship between our two peoples. The increasing political trust between the two countries is propelling our bilateral ties. Our expanding bilateral trade and investment ties are yielding significant mutual benefits for our two countries. Korean enterprises, with their strong presence in India, I see some of our Korean business people here, are making significant contributions to the country's economic growth and development. Our two peoples are coming close to each other and are yearning for a much closer bilateral relationship. I'm confident bilateral relationship will touch new heights in the coming time. In particular, when we have a big plan to celebrate the 50 years of our diplomatic ties in 2 years, in 2023. We are ready for new opportunities for a much stronger bilateral cooperation across a range of our areas while dealing with emerging geopolitics, global supply chains resilience, and our two people's growing interest in each other's culture. I also see a new hope, confidence, and stronger reserve on our side to harness these emerging opportunities to take Korea-India friendship and partnership to the next level. As the Korean ambassador, I'm determined to make all possible efforts to boost our bilateral ties. I solicit the support of all our friends present here this evening in our endeavors. With these remarks, I leave you all to enjoy K-pop dance and taekwondo performance after this that I hope it will ignite a little spark of Korea-India friendship in your hearts. Thank you very much. Dhanyabad.
Thank you, sir, for your words. We hope to see more bilateral interactions between the two countries under your guidance. Thank you so much. India has seen increasing interest in Taekwondo, a Korean martial arts form. More and more Indians are learning Taekwondo as a means for physical and mental discipline, and the platform for Taekwondo competitions is greatly expanding in the country. Let us now invite the Taekwondo team. Please welcome them with a huge round of applause here on the stage now. was a spectacular performance and shows us what inner discipline can do to our physical limits. Can we have a huge round of applause for such talent on board here today? That was really commendable. The Indian youth is increasingly mesmerized by the Korean culture, especially in form of K-pop. We now have a dance which is going to showcase a mix of both K-pop and Indian Bollywood. Do enjoy.
Shimmy, shimmy, cocoa pop. I think I like it. 긴장은 down, down. 부끄러워 말까. 어지러운 마음속에 내가 들어가. 익숙한 듯 부드럽게 내게 번져가. 고요한 밤이야. 날 위한 밤이야. 참을 수가 없어 빠져가. Yeah, yeah. 너의 멈춘새 난 취해가. Yeah, yeah. 네가 알던 뻔한 모습에 나를 잊어 오늘. 숨겨둔 본능을 시작. It goes down, down, baby. It goes down, down, baby. 바뀌는 소리쳐. 우린 we going go go pop. ना देगा नाका ना गिना देगा चिकनी चमेली देखी चिकना कमीना देगा चांदनी चिदर होके चीट किया तो सारे तारे बोले गिली गिली अक्खा बुरी बात थाली में कंडोरा लेकर आलू भात मूड़ी भात मेरे भी जो किसी ने रिपीट किया तो साला मैंने तेरे मुंह पे मारा मुक्का इस पे भूत कोई चढ़ा है ठहरना जानना अब तो क्या बुरा क्या भला है फर्क पहचानना जिद पकड़ के खड़ा है कम वक्त छोड़ना जानना बदतमीज दिल माने ना बदतमीज दिल माने ना ये जो हाल है सवाल है कमाल है जाने ना बदतमीज दिल माने ना
Oh, hi. Wait a minute. Who are you?
모든 게 궁금해하실 때 Tell me 아야 뭐가 널 행복하게 하는지 Text me Your every picture 내 머리만 듣고 싶어 Come be my teacher 모든 걸 다 가르쳐줘 내 삶은 on top 너야 관계사 습관치 않게 만들어버린 너라는 별 하나부터 열까지 모든 게 특별하지 너희가 심사걸음거리 말투와 사소한 작은 습관들 같이 난 말했지 너무 작다 내가 영웅이 된 거라고 난 말했지 운명 따윈 전부터 내게 아니었다고 세계의 평화 너내 앉아서 그저 널 지켜봐
Thank you for that incredible performance. We hope to see more Indians get interested in K-pop, of course. Can we have a huge round of applause for the artists once again? They really outsmarted themselves on the stage. Next, the Embassy of Korea would like to launch a video showcasing what South Korea is all about as a perfect travel destination for Indian travelers. The video has been exclusively directed, shot, and executed by Minar Group, a member of IRKFS as a recommendation of the Korean Embassy in December 2019, just before COVID-19 pandemic commenced. So let's have the video now. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Lotte World Adventure.
수도수를 먼저 장악해야지만은 사기 문제도 있다 이렇게 해서 여기를 고집을 하게 되는데요.
국제공항까지 비행시간은 5시간 10분이 걸릴 것으로 예상하며
That was quite a commendable video. Can we have a huge round of applause for Minar Group for taking the initiative of constructing this impressive video indeed. As we near the end of our formal celebration, I would like to request Mr. Parth Sharma, Secretary General of India-Korea Friendship Society and President of Corporate Development at Reliance Group, to please give the vote of thanks. Mr. Sharma needs little introduction, having lived and worked in Korea for over 14 years as a leading banker at ING, Gugman Bank, etc. He is a founding member of Indian Chamber of Commerce in Korea, European Union Chamber of Commerce. Kindly welcome Mr. Parth Sharma with a huge round of applause, please. Thank you, sir. Please do come.
Thank you.
Namaskar. 안녕하십니까? 저는 한인도 친선협회 사무총장 파르 셔마입니다. Excellency Ambassador Chang, thank you, sir, for gracing the occasion today. Ambassador Tayal, Chairman, India, Republic of Korea, Friendship Society. Minister Chang, officials of the Embassy of Korea in India who have worked very hard to make this event successful, make it happen. We even had to undergo a change of venue. India, ROK Friendship Society, board members, our special patron for the evening, Chairman Ashok Minda, Dinesh Patnaik ji, Director General ICCR, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. I thank you for taking the time on a working day, on a working week to attend this evening. I would be terribly guilty today if I didn't highlight the efforts put in by our event management company, Alban. Thank you, Rajiv, and the entire team. I hope you're all having an enjoyable evening today. In our performances today, we have tried to showcase ancient, modern steadfastness and the beauty of the relationship between India and Korea. Our relationship showcases deep-rooted people-to-people entwined in tradition and culture stretching over 2,000 years. And the energy, talent, optimism as we emerge as leaders in the world stage. In my 14 years of having lived in Korea and worked in Korea, we were fortunate to have seen and experienced the traditions and particularly the human emotions we share because of our deep similarities. I believe that our friendship and our strategic overlap will pave the way for further unlocking immense mutual potential in the coming years. Ladies and gentlemen, as I stand between now and the sumptuous dinner being laid out, I will stop here immediately. Please continue to enjoy the evening as we embark upon a new era of friendship between India and Korea that will define this century. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for encapsulating the entire event. Grateful to have you here with us. This is the end of our formal event, but the informal celebrations and interactions are yet to begin. Please enjoy the dinner and hope you all have an enjoyable evening celebrating the friendship between India and Republic of Korea. There is ample room in the other areas, so feel free to make yourselves comfortable. Thank you all for your precious time here today. Stay safe. Also, I would like to add that the dinner space outside on terrace area as well, so you can check that out too. Without further ado, I would also request the humble presence of the Ambassador and India-Korea Friendship Society members for a group photograph here on the stage. And whosoever would like to participate in the photo op session is welcome to stay back. Rest, let's proceed forward for the networking dinner here today. Thank you so much. Attention everyone. Anyone else would like to join in for the photo op session, for the group picture here, is welcome to join us here on the stage. Thank you so much.